Alright, so first of all, write bubbles at the top of the paper.
Okay. Oh.
And then you have some bubble challenges.
It's going different colours.
So imagine this is a bubble. What's inside it?
Air molecules.
Air molecules. The outside is soap.
Soap.
There's a layer of soap, and then there's a layer of what's here?
Liquid.
What liquid?
Water.
That's right, water. And then there's another layer of soap on the inside. So what a bubble is like a sandwich of soap, water, soap.
Yeah.
And when a bubble bursts, it's because this water evaporates, it disappears because it gets hot, or it finds a hole in the soap and shoots out. Yep, what's the challenge? What's your solution?
Is to put a bubble inside a bubble. My thought is that we have a bubble, then we blow a bubble over it.
Can you see?
Indeed.
I see.
Yes, sir, well done.
Challenge 1 completed!
Yeah!
So look at that pattern. Now what does that look like?
It looks like shells. Or...
What else does it remind you
it
of?
looks like pentagons. All at the bottom. The
You
pentagons.
made that's because you put 5. See if you can put 6 round.
Oh, that would be... Move. Hexagons. Whoa, did you see that? I made that.
Wow!
Hey, what is the challenge? Make a coloured bubble, and that's a food colouring ball. It's orange food colour. It goes into the mixture of the bubble, and then it comes up in orange.
Let's see what it looks like.
Yeah, it looks really spooky.
Well, when it bursts, I thought I saw when it burst it had some colour in it.
Yeah, it leaves green marks. Yeah, it does.
How have you solved it?
I think we've solved it by having a see-through cone thingy, one of these, and then blowing it. But because it's see-through, it picks up all the light and it creates different colours.
Refraction.
And that's refraction. We can see some colour. 3. Make a bubble that you can't see through. So what you do is you blow the bubble, but you leave a little gap in your finger so there might be a hole in the bubble, and then you quickly blow the other one in, leaving another gap, and then you do another one. You can make it more bubbles inside each other, and then you won't be able to see through it.
That's very interesting, because where do you find bubbles in your everyday life? When do you come across bubbles?
In mixture soap.
In soap, and when at the end of the day in the bath. And when you've got lots and lots of foam, what colour is that?
White.
So you can't see through that, can you?
No.
Let's see, we can see through them, but as they get denser and denser,
We cannot see
it
through
becomes all
them.
white.
Look there! And this is our solution!
And a foam. Yeah, remember not to suck. So you can see through soap, you can see through water, you can see through air. But we can replace one of these with something you can't see through. What is like air, but you can't see through it?
Clouds.
Yes. What else?
Mist.
Yes.
Fog.
Exactly, keep thinking. What else is a sort of looks like
shadow.
a cloud? Looks like mist.
Rain. Fog.
Like fog.
Rain.
But people make it.
Smoke.
Smoke. For science only.
Well, I think it is.
That is the most weirdest bubble in the world.
Did you see? I feel really sick now.
Time for us to make a bubble go up by itself. This one is kind of a cheat. You should get a fan and blow bubbles.
And why is that cheating?
Oh, you can't use a fan or anything else. Another option is to just say, "Yo, get bubble!" And the bubble gets happy and flies up. It will.
Okay, here's our picture of a bubble. Now, does this sort of bubble go up or down?
Down.
Why is that?
Could it. You should have helium in the bubble.
Why is that?
Because when you make a vivid helium,
Why does helium make bubbles go up?
Because it weighs more, it weighs less than air.
What's this?
It is a helium balloon cylinder.
So the helium's going to come out of this spout, if there's any left.
Yes.
And we're going to put it in there, and what do you think is going to happen? What's your prediction?
It's going to create a big bubble because there's so much helium and so much liquid.
Mm-hmm.
And it's going to float up because there's so much helium. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'll go get it. They're sticking to the cup. Now,
Ready?
test 2. Bum. Bum. Yeah.
Okay, that's enough. Now try and release it.
Yeah.
Well done, Sam. Well done, guys. And challenge 5, Lucas Whitty.
It's filmed inside a bubble. We can attach wire to the iPhone and then hold the wire with the bubble around it. But I'm thinking that might pop, so...
Blow a bubble and try and get it so it sits on top of there. Now go on to it. That was better. Sam has an idea for the camera inside a bubble. What's your idea, Sam?
Okay, just follow me outside.
Alright.
We're going to be using this.
Yeah?
Yeah, it looks quite weird. Unwrap it.
Daniel, are you
Yeah.
ready?
Yeah, you recording?
Yep.
Okay, let's get Lucas in a bubble.
Can I have a go?
Oh, did you get soggy?
Right. Do you know, stop it, Freddie.
Cool. Challenge number 6.
Okay, to make a bubble that explodes in flame, well, it's quite simple actually. You just blow your bubble. You have a match and you light the match and hold it against the bubble.
Mm-hmm.
My idea was to light the match. Shall we try that first?
Okay, let's just blow a bubble.
It bursts.
It bursts. I'm going to try another one for the flame balloon, but first of all, you have to promise, each of you, never to do this by yourselves.
Yes, I promise on Science Club. I promise on Science Club.
I don't know if this is going to work. So I'm making lots of small bubbles, and what's inside these bubbles?
Helium. Air.
No, it's a flammable gas.
Oh.
So there's not air, there's a flammable gas,
So
which
it
is
can...
used to push polish out. But watch what happens when I set light to it. You watching?
Whoa!
Wow.
Oh, can I see what's...
Okay, challenge number 7 is to make a square bubble. I think we should just make your fingers into a square shape, then put bubble mixture in there. Good square, but it might turn back to circle.
We've shaped this Y that used to be just a normal Y into a square. Now we're going to blow a bubble and try and make it square.
What happens when I blow through this and it leaves the rectangular wire?
I said hopefully.
That. Did it work?
No.
We can try and make use of the fact that a bubble always copies its frame. What we need to do is to make a cube out of straws.
Oh, you almost did it, Freddie. Take a picture quick.
I got it.
And I'm filming it.
Very good.
It's taking forever.
I know, it's really tricky.
Oh, I'm thinking.
My arms.
He's so close, he's so close, he's so close. He's so close. Okay, what's this?
It's cube.
Okay, now what we're going to try and do is get a bubble on every side of this. Can you see what's happening in the middle?
Yeah. Well done. We did it. That's so amazing.
Now let me zoom back out.
Can I put my hand behind
No.
it? Oh. Yes. Oh, I wish we could blow that.
Put it on here and see if we can keep it still so I can take a picture of it.
Try and take a shot.
Oh.